Nee posted Pinterest pins every single day for a year, not spending money on ads. What was the result? 1.2 million impressions in a month and over $500,000 in Etsy revenue. Now, that might sound wild, but in my own shop, I got to over 552,000 visits from Pinterest to Etsy alone just by doing this strategy. So today, I'm going to show you a repeatable system for creating viral Pinterest pins, and we'll talk about how to use Tailwind to automate this process. Now, why does Pinterest matter? Why do I talk about Pinterest so much? Pinterest is really Etsy's biggest untapped gold mine. Pinterest can be your biggest competitive advantage as an Etsy seller. Unlike TikTok or Instagram, Pinterest is a visual search engine, and people come to Pinterest expecting to click out of the Pinterest platform. Now, compared to TikTok, where you can't even click on a link within TikTok, or even Instagram, where they make you second guess if you even want to leave the platform, people go to Pinterest expecting fully to leave Pinterest. And that is part of the user behavior on Pinterest. And the other advantage to Pinterest is that pins live for years, not hours. While what you do on Instagram and TikTok might help you over the next day or two, what you do on Pinterest can actually help you 7 to 10 years from now. And that means that every pin you post has the power to drive free traffic to your shop for months or even years. And for me, my pins are still working a full decade later. And when you use Pinterest strategically, it becomes a way to generate thousands of free clicks and traffic to your Etsy listings without spending a single dollar on ads. But let's start with the number one reason why your Pinterest pins are getting ignored. This is because Pinterest rewards consistency, not creativity. So many sellers think that they need to create the perfect pin, and they're spending way too much time creating actual pins. The truth is, Pinterest is not about perfection, it's about persistence. So Nee didn't go viral because she spent hours and hours and hours and hours creating the perfect pins. She went viral because she posted every single day. And if you're thinking, I don't know if that's realistic for me, there's workarounds. You can hire a low-cost VA to do this for you, or you could use something like Tailwind. And even when you're on vacation, Tailwind can be working in the background, getting your pins seen. Now, why is consistency so important? Pinterest is a search engine, and search engines have algorithms. Algorithms love consistency. If you are doing Pinterest yourself, I recommend leveraging the Google Chrome extension, doing 20 to 30 pins a day. And you could probably do that in about 20 minutes. Now, if you are using Tailwind, you could use their pin scheduler, which lets you upload 30 pins at once and then trickle them out daily. And then Smart Loop recycles your best content, so you're always active without lifting a finger. And you can simply set this up at the beginning of the month and then let it run. The volume matters more than the variety in the beginning. So it's more important to have that consistency and that high volume versus having like 30 completely unique, super creative pins. Now, this next tip is something that 99% of Etsy sellers ignore. Your pin aesthetic matters more than your product itself. You can have the best product in the world, but if your pin does not look good, no one will click on it. Or you could have the most basic, simple product in the world, like maybe it's a pair of scissors or garden clippers, and you could have a beautiful aesthetic looking pin and it will get clicks. We had a student who was actually selling digital planner stickers. Her sales were okay, but once she switched to using Pinterest board aesthetics like neutral minimalist desk setup or cozy cottagecore office, her traffic tripled. And the pins were not just product shots, but they were really part of the vibe that would match that board. So her pin for the neutral minimalist desk setup board, that's going to look different than the cozy cottagecore office pin. You want to think about targeting different types of customers with your pin and really matching the pin to different aesthetics of different boards. And 99% of people aren't doing that. And this is important because people don't just save the pin because of the product. They save the pins because they want to create the feeling of what they see. That's why creating Pinterest boards for each aesthetic that your customer resonates with is crucial. Tailwind can actually help you analyze which styles and aesthetics get the most engagement so you know what to post more of. A little homework for you here is to go to Pinterest, type in a niche aesthetic like coastal cowgirl or retro western, save 30 pins to a board, and then use that board as inspiration for your product photos, your pin backgrounds, backgrounds and your fonts. Okay, but how do you actually know that this is working before you waste time on it? Track what Pinterest pins are converting inside of your Etsy shop. The only metric that matters isn't repins, it is sales. In my Etsy dashboard, I found that one product listing had over 122,000 visits from Pinterest. And that single pin, that image took me less than 5 minutes to make, and it became my shop's top traffic driver for the year. See, Etsy makes it easy for you to see where your traffic is coming from. You simply go to your stats and then click on social media, and you can see all the different social media drivers, including Pinterest. And then you can use this info to create more pins for that one listing. You can then duplicate it with some minor tweaks. And of course, you can boost this with Tailwind's Smart Loop. When you're inside Tailwind, you can use the board insights area to compare the performance of each board. I recommend doubling down on boards with the highest engagement rate, not just the repin count. Let me show you how to make this super simple. So I created a pack of like 10 different Canva Pinterest templates. Then I swapped in different product images, updated the text with different headlines to make it look and feel like it's going to be a blog post. And then you can just drop them right into Tailwind, and you can batch 30 pins in under 45 minutes. You don't need to reinvent the wheel every time. You can use templates. You can change only the product image and the title and the call to action. And then you can just upload them all to Tailwind, schedule out for a month, and you're done. And a little tip here is to create a Canva template folder with maybe 3 different lifestyle pin designs or layouts, maybe 3 pins that are more product, plain pin designs, and maybe even 4 or 5 different testimonial or review based pins. And then you can rotate through these monthly and have different types of pins for each type of product. But here's the deal. Even if you have great looking pins, SEO still matters. If you want to be successful both on Etsy and Pinterest to get that free traffic, you still have to have your SEO dialed in. This next video is going to take you through SEO strategies that work here and now, and I'll be showing you how to optimize your listings for traffic and conversions. So go check out my other video here on SEO.